नमस्कार। गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज रुद्रप्रयाग आपका स्वागत करता है नमामि गंगे पखवाड़ा मार्च 2024 में। मैं मौली नेगी आपको इस वीडियो के माध्यम से उन सभी पहलुओं से रूबरू कराऊंगी जो नमामि गंगे प्रकोष्ठ राजकीय महाविद्यालय रुद्रप्रयाग द्वारा आयोजित किए गए। It is a firm belief of its nodal officer, Dr.Vikram that if you want to learn anything, you have to do it. Means learning by doing, and for that he always leads from the front. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, कॉलेज के छात्र छात्राएं रुद्रप्रयाग से कालीमठ, जो कि एक शक्तिपीठ है, वहां कूच कर रहे हैं। उद्देश्य यह है कि बच्चों को उनकी संस्कृति, पहचान एवं धरोहर से जोड़ा जाए और साथ ही वो यह ना भूलें कि नदियाँ पर्यावरण के लिए बहुमूल्य हैं। इस कार्यक्रम में हमारे साथ गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज विद्यापीठ गुप्तकाशी भी सम्मिलित रहेगा। तो चलते हैं इस सफर में आगे की ओर।
As the sun rose over the majestic mountains of Uttarakhand, the Namami Gange Pakhwara, March 2024, unfolded into extraordinary phases, each carrying the spirit of reverence and cultural celebration. In Phase 1, the Namami Gange squad embarked on an enlightening journey to Kalimath, a sacred site nestled in the lap of divine valleys. Our mission began with an awareness rally echoing through the serene alleys of Kalimath, followed by a pilgrimage to the river temple. Legend has it that Kalimath is where goddess Kali triumphed over the demon Rakta Beach, submerging herself in its spiritual depths. Amidst the pristine surroundings, our squad fervently engaged in a river cleaning campaign, symbolizing a commitment to the sanctity of the Ganges and the other river system of a country. Heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Devraghuvendra Chaudhary, an enthusiastic and avid environmentalist, for his invaluable contributions to the Phase 1 campaign of Namami Gange Pakhwara 2024. Additionally, I acknowledge Professor P.S. Jagwan, Principal of GDC Vidhyapeeth Guptkasi, for his and his college participation in a campaign. On this day, a Namami Gange team diligently collected over 80 kg of trash from the riverside, delivering a commanding message to both locals and the devotees about the importance of keeping our surroundings clean. It is imperative to remember that cleanliness and a pollution-free environment are not only crucial for our well-being but also resonate deeply with the divine principles upheld by the temple. Our path then led us to the historic village of Kaviltha, the birthplace of the legendary Kalidas. Heavy forced connections with the rich heritage of our mountains, spreading the message of Namami Gange and Arth Ganga, emphasizing environmental consciousness, and sustainable practices. At Kaviltha, we organized a Ganga Chawpaal, a formal meeting with the agenda of advocating for keeping rivers clean and pollution-free. Our team was warmly welcomed by the Kalidas committee, who graciously offered their valuable insights and support for our campaign. Continuing our quest for environmental stewardship, we ventured into Kotma village, imparting knowledge and sensitizing villagers to eco-friendly lifestyles. Our pilgrimage culminated to Ruch Mahadev, where Lord Shiva subdued the wrath of goddess Kali, a tale echoing through the ages. In phase 2, the spotlight shifted to the vibrant tapestry of Garhwali and Kumaoni folk art forms. The grand event commenced with the lighting of the lamp, followed by the solemn Namami Gange oath ceremony, binding hearts to the river's cause.
को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं।
स्वागतम स्वागतम कैसे पावन सुहावन समय आज है आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है कैसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है आप आए अतिथियों में सरताज है देव की खातिर पूजन करे आज हम स्वागतम स्वागतम की वीणा से गुंजे ध्वनि मंगलम स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम।
बारे में अभी अनभिज्ञ हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि ये शर्म की बात है, ये हमें जानकारी रखनी चाहिए। इसके अतिरिक्त चूंकि नमामि गंगे और गंगा हमारी माँ है और यदि हम माँ का सम्मान नहीं करेंगे, उसको स्वच्छ नहीं रखेंगे, उसको पवित्र नहीं रखेंगे और उसके अस्तित्व यदि कहीं खतरे में पड़ता है तो हमारा अस्तित्व भी खतरे में। पवित्र गंगा या किसी अन्य जल निकाय को प्रदूषित नहीं करूंगी और मैं नीचे दिए गए सुझावों का पालन करूंगी। मैं कभी भी गंगा या किसी अन्य जल निकाय में किसी भी तरह के कम से कम एक दिन कुछ समय समर्पित करूंगी और अपने शहर में या अपने घर के पास नदियों।
Against the backdrop of captivating speeches delivered in Hindi, English, and the local Garhwali dialect, the event served a twofold objective. Firstly, it aimed to cultivate a sense of environmental stewardship among the attendees, urging them to protect and conserve the natural resources, particularly the river Ganges. Secondly, the program sought to uphold and celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the region, emphasizing the importance of preserving traditions, languages, and the customs that have been passed down through generations. Thus, through a blend of language diversity and cultural representation, the event underscored the interrelation between environmental conservation and the safeguarding of a cultural legacy.
बनाए रखने के लिए पेड़ पौधे लगाना बहुत ही जरूरी है। नमामि गंगे के अंतर्गत हमने कई सारे
उद्देश्य केवल आसपास की सफाई करना नहीं, बल्कि नागरिकों की सहभागिता से अधिक पेड़ लगाना, कचरा।
To our respected faculty members, esteemed guests, and all dear students present here.
We also would like to welcome you all in today's program, Namami Gange Pakhwara 2024. As we all are present here to celebrate Namami Gange Pakhwara, so we are here to share our views and experience on Namami Gange activities or initiatives which are taken by our college. Under the guidance of Nodal Officer Dr.Vikram sir and co-convener Dr. Pooja Rani ma'am and Dr. Rajni Rodhan ma'am. So let's start our speech with a brief intro of Namami Gange project. The Namami Gange project is an integrated mission started in the year of 2014 and it's all about cleaning up and making our beloved Ganga healthy again. We see the Ganga river is like clean the Ganga. It's not merely a government program but a collective effort to restore the holiness of one of our most divine river Ganga. As a responsible citizen, it's our responsibility that we all need to help. We can do simple things like not throwing trash in the river, using water wisely, and telling others why it's important to keep the Ganga clean. To keep the Ganga clean is so much important, significance, economic benefits and some global importance. Overall, ensuring the cleanliness of Ganga river is essential for the well-being of both ecosystems and human communities which are depend on it. The Namami Gange project aims to accomplish the twin objective of effective abandonment of pollution, conservation and rejuvenation of the national Ganga river. The Namami Gange program is not only a symbol of India's cultural heritage, but it's also an important source of water for millions of people in India.
So since we joined this college and became participant of Namami Gange, we participated in various programs and initiatives taken by Namami Gange family Rudraprayag, just like Deepu sir in various places, which really helped us to connect more with nature and understand it better. During these past 2 years, we planted almost 400 to 500 trees in various locations in Rudraprayag, like in Koryal village, in our new college campus Chaudhary, and in the premises of Machindranath temple. We have participated and organized various awareness programs.
The stage came alive with the echoes of Uttarakhand's folk songs and dances, merging tradition with the modernity as students adorned themselves in colorful attire, swaggering the ramp.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है। हिमालय, इस हिमालय की बचाने की बात करते हैं, वो हिमालय हमारे केदारनाथ में है, बद्रीनाथ धाम में है, तो इस हिमालय को हमें बचाना है। स्वच्छता को लेकर हमें एक निवेदन कर सकते हैं कि लोगों से
All these programs organized by GDC Rudraprayag is only and only possible by constant support from the State Project Management Group Namami Gange, State and Central Wing of Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India. Also, thanks for being a part of this journey with us.
A heartfelt thank you to our principal, Dr. Ashutosh Tripathi, for his unwavering support. Additionally, I extend my sincere gratitude to my dedicated Namami Gange team, including members Dr. Pooja and Dr. Rajni, for their invaluable contributions throughout this journey. In essence, the Namami Gange Pakhwara 2024 was not merely an event, it was a pilgrimage of the soul, a celebration of nature's bounty, and a testament to our collective responsibility towards Mother Earth.